Push-button TRITON series control, main control board test and replacement. You do not have to remove the control housing to replace and verify the board. Disconnect power from the control. We will assume that you have verified that the power source, GFCI, and fuse are all good. You may want to review the video on verifying GFCI and fuse. Remove the top faceplate assembly by removing the 4 cap head screws. Flip over the top faceplate assembly and verify the power connections on the main board are secure. Verify all the connections between the main control board, the fuse holder, and GFCI are secure. Plug in the control power cord. Warning: do not touch any high voltage area as indicated on the main control board. Power up the control and verify the power LED on the top plate and the power LED on the main board are illuminated. If not, then replace the main control board. With the power disconnected from the control, remove the 4 nuts in the corners of the board. Place the new control board on the faceplate and reattach the 4 locking nuts. Transfer the wires from the original board to the replacement board and verify the connections are secure by tugging on the wires. Plug in the control power cord. Warning: do not touch any high voltage area as indicated on the main control board. Before resecuring the top faceplate assembly to the control housing, power up the control and verify it works properly. Reassemble the top faceplate. Replace the 4 cap screws in the corner of the faceplate.